highlight to start the week. It's relevant if you're watching this early in the week. At the end of the week, we got the unemployment report. So the market's kind of quiet, anticipating some bigger economic data, kind of have a relief rally that the ISM number came out today wasn't a disaster. Seems like they try to grind. I mean, they've held on nicely to this rally, but not to review a macro view of it, because I want people to get an understanding of when I talk about respect a move means simply you get some downside from here to here. Chances are there's a continuation. However, this was a tough retracement to sell, anticipating this. This was even tougher. And the highlight that I wanted to make clear today is I actually was short in here, tried looking for another rotation down. But I took a small winner and a small loser when I seen something first of all, getting into this trade, I needed the NASDAQ to do a certain thing. So I had a price and another thing in mind to get me out. Here's the difference when you take a trade, having that knowledge and that understanding before you take the trade. You're not still short when the damn thing is way up here. You have to know where you're getting out before you get in, so you're not surprised. And you have to be good at taking losers. There's something that we in the trading room go over every morning, and I post it before we start so people could read it. It's an email that I get that I post, and there was a great one on over the weekend that I wanted to share with everyone, and it was, oh, now I can't find it. Here it is. Embrace the opportunity that exists in all of you. But more importantly, it goes on to say, be eager to be proven wrong. Be eager to be proven wrong. Think of how that's so opposite of how it's, everybody avoids being wrong. And then you get into this business called trading, and it's all about being wrong. Embrace, it says, or be eager to be proven wrong. That's really important. Which means take some chances, take some risk, just mitigate it. When they talk about, unfortunately, reopening, this whole pandemic that we're in, reopening the economy has risks. Not reopening has risks. Reopening schools has risks. Not reopening has risks. Getting out of bed in the morning has risks. Staying in bed all day has risks. There's risks. Mitigate, manage, control, so that you're not short still when it's way up here. Your mind needed to change instead of staying wrong. But a lot of times we want to avoid being wrong, so you miss a lot of trades. Some are good, some are bad. You're all over the place, and your strategy is like a bucket of Legos that just spills out over the floor. There's no continuity to them. So it's okay to be wrong. In fact, you want to, like this email said today, you want to embrace it, and you want to be eager in being wrong or to be proven wrong. It's okay. And that's important part. It's an important character to have, to develop, and just not avoid. And most people try to avoid it. The other thing I want to say with the highlight of it is once we started to retrace, now remember, this is the beginning and this is the end that we know at this point. Even in here, we know this first circle, second circle is the move. If it's going to get respected and then have some downside, it shouldn't keep going up, right? And at some point, we had said, like in here, this is too high of a retracement and you need to put horns on it. Doesn't mean you need to get long. You just have to expect what probably is next, because a lot of people were thinking, hey, this sell-off from here to here is going to stop somewhere here. No, maybe here. No, maybe here. No. Next thing you know, there's more short stuck, an easier chance to advance to the upside. So get good with your the self-talk that you have. Does something have to be respected? And we thought that this move did, although it was a just brutal retracement to try to get short to take advantage of the next move lower. This was not a brutal retracement. It had a chance. It just didn't work. And it ran up. But at least you're not married to the position. You marry people, not trades. Have a safe rest of the day, guys.